I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Business Manager Admin, the ad account ID, and a registered Facebook app. Once done, open Facebook Business Settings and navigate to Apps. This is where you'll connect the app to assets. Make sure your app's OAuth, redirect, and privacy policy URLs are set in the developer portal. Without them, connection fails. Next, add your app to Business Manager by entering the app ID and assigning owner permissions, so you can grant ad account access in the next step. Now grant precise permissions. In Business Settings, attach the app to the business and assign a system user or admin role to the app's integration. Then go to Add Accounts, choose the target ad account, and add the app with required permissions such as manage campaigns, create ads, and read insights. After that, generate an app access token in the developer portal and verify app scoped ID align with your users. Make sure to test token scopes with the Graph API Explorer before proceeding to ad-level integrations. Finish by confirming the app shows under the ad account integrations and perform a simple ad creation or read insights call to validate end-to-end. Once done, monitor logs and use Graph API to check permission flags and token expiry. If something breaks, first confirm the Business Manager role assignments and that the access token hasn't expired. Next, ensure the app domain and OAuth redirect exactly match settings in the developer portal. Finally, rerun permission grants after fixing any domain or role mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.